Your grandfather's old bank account. He forgot about it. The bank forgot about it. Everyone forgot, except one number 72,454 crore. That's how much money is sitting unclaimed inside Indian banks right now, and there's a genuine chance some of it belongs to your family. Here's the law. If a savings or current account sits untouched for 10 years, no deposits, no withdrawals, the bank has to move that money out. Same for a fixed deposit unclaimed 10 years after maturity. It goes into a fund run by RBI. The official name, the Depositor Education and Awareness Fund. This happens more than you'd think. People die without telling their family about an old account. People move cities, change jobs, forget a fixed deposit they opened once. And the bank doesn't call you and say, hey, there's 40,000 rupees you left behind. It just hands the money to RBI and pretends this never happened. That's a clean disappearing act. No closure, no goodbye text. As of January 2026, here's exactly how much is sitting there. From public sector banks alone, 60,571 crore rupees. From private banks, 9,608 crore. From foreign banks, 2,275 crore. Add it up, 72,454 crore total. Notice something? Almost 85% of it is sitting in public sector banks, the ones operating the exact same look since before color TV. RBI knows this is a problem, so it launched a free portal called UDGAM One Search every participating bank, and it tells you if there's a forgotten account with your name on it. It sounds like the fix, right? Here's the catch. Well over 2 years after launch, only 18.86 lakh people have ever registered on it. Out of 1.4 billion people, less than 1 in every 700 has even opened the app. That's a worse turnout than most family WhatsApp group calls. RBI didn't just build a website and walk away. It set up physical camps too, in 748 districts, helping people get their money back in person. Out of that 72,000 crore total, how much has actually made it back to families? By February 2026, families have gotten back 5,777 crore rupees. That's it. 22.95 lakh claims total. So what's the real math? Roughly 8% of the total, 92% still sitting there unclaimed. RBI rolled out the red carpet, a portal, camps, outreach, and 92% of the guests still haven't shown up. So why is the number this low? Not because people don't want free money, because most people have never heard of UDGM, and most don't even know their own parents' or grandparents' old accounts exist. This isn't really RBI's failure or your failure. It's an awareness gap. And an awareness gap only closes one way. Someone has to actually tell you. So let's close it. 2 minutes. That's less time than most of us spend deciding what to order on Swiggy. Here's how you check. Go to udgam.rbi.org.in. Register with your name and mobile number. Search using PAN, account number, or date of birth, and pick the banks you want to search. You can select several public and private banks at once. If there's a match, it shows you exactly which branch to contact, so you can start the process. One important thing, a search match isn't guaranteed money. You still need to prove it's you with valid identification at the branch. And RBI never charges a fee for this, never sends an agent to your door. If someone calls asking for a processing fee to release your money, congratulations, you've met a scammer who read this video's headline number and absolutely nothing else. 72,454 crore just sitting there. Only 5,777 crore rupees actually claimed. A totally free RBI portal. 2 minutes of your time. This one's genuinely worth sending onward. Ask your parents, your grandparents. Any old fixed deposit, any account from a job or a place they left behind, that forgotten money could have their name on it. Send them this video before you do anything else. Your family's money. Is it still sitting there unclaimed? There's only one way to know. Stories like this land on RF every single week. Subscribe, so the next one doesn't stay hidden from you either.